Hello, so today I will be showing you how to make a wet paintbrush holder out of an empty gum container that you have at home. So what you will need is a plastic gum container, a stick, you can use a chopstick that you washed, an X-Acto knife, sandpaper or a nail file, rubber band, some tape, and if you want to decorate it, anything to decorate it with, I'm using some colorful tape, but you can use paint. So first up, start by removing any labeling on the gum box that you have. I'm using a little tool to make it easier for me to lift off the sticker. Now take an X-Acto knife after removing the lid of it and cut it so that you have like a cup, so that there's no longer a small entrance to the container itself. Please make sure to be very careful when using the X-Acto knife. Never point the knife towards you and keep your fingers away from the area you're cutting. Now, using sandpaper or a nail file, file down the area so that it's no longer rough to touch and that it can no longer cut you. So now you take your chopstick and you take some tape, and you want to use a small piece of tape for you to connect the chopstick to that container that you just cut up. Now, using the lid that you set aside, cut up the part that is normally attached to the bottle and cut a slit through it. After cutting the slit, cut a small piece off of it so that you make it shorter and it's no longer as long as it was. Now grab some tape and form that piece that you cut into a circle and tape it up so that it stays in that circular shape. Now grab the circle that you just formed and stick it on to the stick that you put under the bowl that you created before. I use some tape to stick it on because I feel like this is the most convenient way to do it. You can tape it on the edges of it like I'm showing in this video, and you can fold it to the inside, that way it's secure. Using the small piece of plastic that you cut off and some tape, place it on the circle like I'm showing in order to make it tighter and have a small opening on the edge of it. Now grab a rubber band, I'm using a small loom band, and make it even tighter at the side of the tape. That way it can hold your paintbrush nicely. You can have your paintbrush to test it to make sure it works and the opening is still big enough but tight enough so that it doesn't fall off. You should end up with something like this that you can decorate, and as you can see, the paintbrush fits and it floats and without falling. Now, how can you use it? You can use it as shown in this picture, where the paintbrush is touching the water but it's not being ruined and flattened by the end. Or you can use it as shown in the second picture, where it's floating above the water in a sense where it can dry but stay wet for you to be able to use it later. I like to use the second technique when I'm waiting to use my paintbrush to use watercolors without it being too watery. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this craft and do it. And if you don't want to do it, you can just use your old gum container to store things in it. You can decorate it and just peel off the sticker from it. Thank you so much for sticking around, and stay tuned for next week's craft.